If OneNote is crashing and you're seeing error 1000, don't worry, because in most cases this is caused by a damaged Office component or a corrupted local cache, and both can usually be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you the best step-by-step methods to fix OneNote Error 1000 on Windows without needing advanced technical skills. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first fix, which is the most effective one for this error. Since Error 1000 often points to a crashing application module, the best place to begin is by repairing Microsoft Office. To do that, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run window, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This will open the list of installed programs on your PC. Now scroll through the list until you find Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office. Once you see it, click on it to highlight it, then choose Change or Modify at the top of the window. When the repair options appear, select Online Repair. This is the more thorough option, and it usually fixes deeper problems than Quick Repair because it rebuilds Office files more completely. After selecting Online Repair, click Repair and let the process begin. Keep your computer turned on and make sure it stays connected to the internet while the repair runs. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes, so be patient and let it finish fully. Once the repair is complete, reboot your computer so the changes can take effect. After restarting, open OneNote again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this alone will solve the problem because it repairs the broken Office files that are causing the crash. If OneNote still crashes at startup, the next thing to try is launching it in safe mode. Safe mode can help isolate whether the issue is coming from a corrupted local note cache or another startup-related problem. To do this, press Windows key plus R again to open the Run dialog box. Then type onenote.exe/safe mode and press Enter. This will open OneNote with only the essential features loaded. If OneNote opens normally in safe mode, that's a strong sign that the issue is tied to a damaged cache, add-in, or startup component. From there, you can begin narrowing down what is causing the crash and clear out the problem area. If you're able to get into OneNote through safe mode, it's a good idea to look for anything that may be interfering with normal startup. In many situations, a corrupted local note cache can cause OneNote to fail as soon as it launches. Safe mode gives you a clean way to access the app and move forward without the crash interrupting everything. So, to recap the two main fixes, first, repair Microsoft Office using Online Repair, and second, launch OneNote with the safe mode command if the crash continues. These two steps solve most OneNote Error 1000 problems, especially when the cause is a damaged Office installation or a bad local cache. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Windows troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.